All right, we're back with another hack. Today we are doing a Dodge Ram Promaster. I am using the Xtool today. This one is a little tricky because Xtool doesn't show Dodge, but you got to know Dodge is with Chrysler. So with this, you got to go to Chrysler, and then you go to select vehicle. Once you go to select vehicle, you hit ProMaster. Now, the ProMaster that I'm doing is a 2019. On here, it only says 2014 to 2018, but it doesn't matter. It's still programmed it anyway, so it still worked out. So what I did was I read the passcode. You need that. And then you go to add a key. Once you're at add a key, you just follow the steps. It's a whole bunch of yeses. After you complete all the yeses, it'll ask you right there to put in the code, and then boom, key is programmed. I do warn you, don't use the Autel programmer. I tried to do that. It did not work. So the only one that worked for me was this Xtool. That's about it. Just keep finishing the X's, the yeses, and it's good as programmed. Like and subscribe.